I had a comment. Why are you making clickbait title videos? And the comment was not the question I'm answering here, but it leads to the question, which a guy says why I am making them. So it is the question, but bear with me. I am here on a Saturday. It is Saturday. It is 20 to 1. I'm here on a Saturday because Monday to Friday I work on my photography business, and Saturday is Tin House Studio Day and YouTube Day. So this is when I run this business, and this is the important part of it. This is a business. Tin House Studios is a limited company. This camera, owned by the company. This studio belongs to the company. It is not my photography business, that's a separate thing. But this is a business. The only way I can justify being away from my family on a Saturday, having all of this equipment to create these with, and having the time to edit them. The only way I can justify that is by making money. I cannot justify being away from the children and my family if it's not making money. I can't, and I'd love to, don't get me wrong, but I cannot be here out of the goodness of my own heart to give away all of the information I spent 15 years gathering as a professional photographer. I can't do that. So I have to make money. Now, YouTube itself makes pittance. I think I make £700 last month on ad revenue. £700 doesn't cover the studio rent. So, it's pittance. What I do make my money on is my workshops, my one-to-one mentoring, portfolio reviews, that sort of stuff, which belongs on the Tin House Studio website. ScottShithinia.com, very different business. That's me Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. That's what I do. But those workshops make me the money to afford me to give you free information. So when I give you information like how I do this, why I do that, here's behind the scenes of a shoot, that is financed by Tin House Studios. And the way that I can be away from my family on a Saturday is because I get paid by Tin House Studios, and that finances me to be here. And it's always very difficult to balance the income made to family time lost ratio. I've not perfected it. If you have, let me know in the comments below. But that's how that works. Now, in order to sell more workshops, more reviews, more portfolio sittings and all the rest of it, I need more viewers. I need to bring more people in who will engage with the content that I give away for free. Nobody, and I make this very clear, nobody is expected to buy anything from me. If you cannot afford it, don't buy it. Don't ever buy one of my courses on finance. Don't ever put it on a credit card and rack up debt. Please do not use, I'm pretty sure I've got it so you can't use these like nasty sites like Clara or whatever. I try and keep this as ethical as possible. eBay forever have been trying to get me onto this credit scheme of theirs. Not eBay, PayPal. I will not do it. I do not want people getting into debt buying my services. You do not need to do that to support this channel. Just watch the video, learn something for free, and I am happy that that's enough. That's all I ask of people. I do not want people to feel that they have to buy something. That is not what this is. Yes, it makes money, but it makes money from people who either need the service, want the service, or can afford the service. That is it. You are no less of a supporter of this channel if you've never bought anything. If you've simply clicked on a video once, you have supported me in being able to make more of these videos. And for that, I'm eternally grateful. I really am. During lockdown, this was an absolute lifesaver because although there's work at the start of lockdown, it dried up quick. So very, very grateful. But back to the clickbait titles. Why am I doing them at the moment? I do a one for them, one for me service on YouTube. I make one video that I want to make, which usually tanks and gets like 1,000 views. And I make one video for YouTube, which normally gets 10,000 views. And that's how I do it. Now, I don't actually schedule them in that way. You often get 4 bad ones, 4 good ones in terms of views. But if you're watching this video and you're asking why some of them are clickbaity, you probably see it the other way around, 4 good ones, 4 bad ones. But that is why I have to get the views. Now, if everyone shared my videos every time I published them, I might not have to do clickbaity videos, but no one's going to do that. I can't expect 2,000 people who watch a video to share it to all of their people to watch it. That is unrealistic. So that is why the clickbait thumbnails and titles appear in videos. You have to play the game. If I don't, the whole thing comes to a grinding halt. I can only afford to do this because it makes money. I don't have the time to take out of my photography business or family life to do this without it making money. Like, I can't run a YouTube channel at a loss. I'm not in that situation. There's young children at home. There's Moggy, who likes to eat mackerel and salmon for breakfast and lunch every day. Like, there are expenses which go in with this. And also, I think the only reason my photography YouTube channel is of interest is because I'm a working professional photographer and that I work at the level I do. And I don't believe there's another channel run by a photographer who works commercially with an agent on the big campaigns who gives the information out that I give. I think it's a very unique little package, which is why I decided to do it. And I think if I ever got rid of the photography time to put YouTube into there so I didn't have to do the clickbaity stuff, I don't think it'd be as interesting, because I would have no point of reference from the actual industry to be able to tell you people's, and cats, I'm sure some cats watch this, exactly how it is. Like the brass tacks of life in photography industry. I think one of the reasons the channel does work is because I can go, look, this is how it actually is. There you go. Rather than people who do a bit of weekend warrior photography going, this is what I think. You know, interesting to watch. I watch them still, but like, I think that's what it is. Anyway, if you have a better suggestion, let me know in the comments below. I am always willing to change how I do things, always willing to learn, always willing to do something different. So do let me know. Don't feel like it's a one-way street. I read every single comment. I try and do that thing where I click the other like thing where it gives you the picture of my face to say I've read it. Don't always reply because of time constraints, but I do read everything, or at least I try to. Anyway, I hope that has explained some bits. I hope it's cleared up some stuff as to why things are a bit clickbaity sometimes and you know, why that is. But yeah, thank you for staying with me. Thank you for supporting the channel and allowing me to create these videos, because I do enjoy it. I do enjoy creating videos. I love editing them actually. So thank you for that. Like, because of all of you watching all of these videos, it allows me to do something that I enjoy, that I couldn't do otherwise. I couldn't justify it otherwise. I couldn't finance it otherwise. So thank you. I really appreciate your support. I really do. And we're going to be having drinks soon. Online drinks, so make sure you join the Facebook group, because I'll be sharing the drinks thing in there. It would be like a live Q&A on Zoom. I'll get a taxi into work, grab some beers, and we'll bring the cat in. Oh, we'll bring the cat in. She always makes friends with taxi drivers. I'll bring the cat in. We'll bring the cat in. We'll have a good time. Anyway, thank you so much. See you all soon. Bye bye.